I guess I'll go first. I saw no birds this week.
Hey guys, I did not see any birds this week.
This week was actually pretty good for me. I thought I saw a bird.
I saw 0 birds this week.
No.
Guys, cheer up. I mean, I'm sure we'll see one soon. I mean, even if it feels like we're kind of on a wild goose chase.
Hey! That concludes the 2608th meeting of the Birdwatcher Society. Garrison, stay back a moment. Kid, I think you've got something. I can see you've put tremendous effort into this group, and your last few reports have been incredible.
Thank you, sir.
Listen, I need you to do something for me.
Well, I can't promise anything, but I can wing it.
The puns!
Sorry.
As I was saying, what if I told you I know where to find the last living bird?
Sir, that would be huge for my bird log.
You see, I would find it myself, but as you know, I'm double blind.
Isn't that just blind?
No! There's an old friend I want you to talk to. And one more thing. Take this. It's getting hotter and hotter out there.
Do you really think that's going to help?
I really think it would help you to take this fan and keep it on your body at all times.
Well, okay. Well, thanks, Bird, for taking me under your wing.
Come closer, child. I can see you. I'm only single blind, after all. So you're a bird watcher?
You could tell? I heard that you know how to find
The last living bird?
Yes. Where is it?
You probably don't remember. You were probably too young to understand, but the world used to be a very different place.
There were birds.
Yes, not just here in Antarctica, but all across this great, big, beautiful planet of ours. People took those pigeons for granted. Sometimes I can still hear them.
I can't believe you saw pigeons, real-life pigeons!
I'm not going to tell you where the last bird is.
Why not?
There's some people who can't stand to see her flying free while they're stuck here on the ground.
Well, that's just foul.
All right. Come here.
It's here, Bird. It's really here. I know you can't see it, but it's here. You have to trust me.
It's finally time. The very last one.
How did you get here?
That fan in your pocket. You really think I wouldn't put a tracker in it?
What? I don't know. Why are you here?
Because I'm going to kill the last living bird.
What?
Did you know my parents founded the Birdwatching Society? They loved their birds. That was all they ever loved. So of course, when they had their first daughter, they named her Bird. They never had time for Parcheesi or rollerblading or anything I wanted to do. But now I will use their organization to kill the very thing they loved more than their girl. And it's all thanks to you, Garrison. How did you do it? I've been trying to get past her for years.
You're so angry, Bird.
Where is it again?
I'm not gonna tell you.
I didn't want to have to do this.
You're only single blind? You can double see?